Welcome to MS Excel learning program. In this lesson we are going to learn the most important function used in Microsoft Excel, if function. If function is a decision making function. Computer has or Excel has the capability to decide on the basis of the condition. Data entered in a cell or a range of cell can be tested on the basis of a condition. In the case the condition become true, a certain amount of instruction has to be processed, or if condition become false, another set of instruction normally followed by Microsoft Excel. Let's have a look at the syntax of if condition. If condition is comprised of three parts. The first part is a condition separated with a comma. Second part is evaluated when condition becomes true, and this part is only processed when condition become true, and if condition is not true, then third or last part is normally processed. So all these three parts are separated with a comma. The first part is condition. If condition become true, the second part after comma will be processed, and in the case the condition is false, the last part after comma will be processed. Let's move on to practical example where we can learn how to apply if condition. In this scenario, four columns has been given. First one is the date, second one is invoice number, third one sales, fourth one is name of sale person, fifth or last one is the commission, and we need to calculate the commission on the basis of the criteria given. A commission of 2% can be earned by a salesperson if he is successful in making a sales greater than 5,000. Otherwise, a commission of the 0.5% could be earned by that salesperson for the sales less than or equal to 5,000. So we can apply this condition in two ways. The first one is equal to if. So we are going to apply the logical test. This logical test is being applied on sales. So if sales, which is given in cell C2, is greater than 5,000, and then comma, condition is complete. Now we have to provide the value if true. First part was logical test or the condition, and if this condition become true, what should MS Excel will do with the data? So we want to calculate the commission of sales figure given in C2 times commission of 2%, comma, if condition become false, then what should be the treatment of the data? In case the condition become false, that means the sales value is not greater than 5,000, then it could be equal to 5,000 or less than 5,000. In that case, there should be evaluation of C2 times 0.5% and bracket close. So now we have received an evaluation of 22.5. Let's make it clear that 4,500 is less than 5,000. So for amount of sales value which is less than 5,000, a commission of 0.5 can be given to the salesperson. So that means £22.50 has been evaluated by multiplying 4,500 times 0.5 divided by 100. So that means this amount is calculated on the basis 0.5% of 4,500. So it means the first part, which condition, and condition has become false in first instance, and a commission of 0.5 has been calculated for 4,500. The condition applied in this case while C2 is greater than 5000. However, this condition can be applied in other way around. For example, we can apply the condition if, in this case, if cell C3 is less than or equal to 5000, then an amount of commission C3 must be calculated for 0.5%. Otherwise, in case the condition become false, commission should be the 2% of sales amount, bracket close. So 112 pound has been calculated on what basis? Let's examine it. 5600, in this case amount is bigger than 5000, so commission should be 2%. So the same amount has been calculated. Let's examine both approaches that we have applied for the condition. In order to view the formula, we need to click on the formula. Under formula, we can see show formulas. By clicking it, we can see that the formula has been displayed. Now we can examine our both formulas. In first instance, we have applied C2 is greater than 5000. So if C2 is greater than 5000, then in case condition become true, commission should be 2%. And in second instance, we have applied a condition of C2 is less than equal to 5000. When condition become true, commission should be 0.5% of sales value. So in both cases, approach of making the condition is different, but the result that we achieved are same. Let's examine our formula in another approach. So that is under formula. When we click on evaluate formula, we can get a dialog box where step-by-step process of if condition will be determined. When we click on evaluate, C3 is replaced by 5600. So 5600 is being compared with 5000. 5600 is less than equal to 5000, which is not the true case. So the next step, its result is false. Again click evaluate. So after comma, the next section is not applicable. That means MS Excel will skip this part. This part will not be calculated. And now C3 has been replaced with the 5600 times 0.2. That means 2% of sales value. Click next. We get the result 112. So condition was false. First part was skipped and amount has been calculated as 112, and we got the result 112. By clicking the restart, we can get the same evaluation since beginning. Close, and we are back to our sheet now. Show formula is selected, and after selection the color become gray. So when we click it again, it will be unselected and color will become normal, and display of formula will no more will be visible. Our sheet is now back to normal.